Hello guys, this is Flash again. The impact on the latest video is insane. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, just leave a like and share. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about, and I will show you guys how to buy Elongate. It's easy, very easy. Just follow step by step. I'm going to show you guys. Okay guys, so firstly you will need some crypto. It doesn't matter, it has to be Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, it doesn't matter. For me, I have some Litecoin on my Coinbase account. So yeah, I have around 32 USD. And second, we need Binance. We need a Binance account so we can transfer the Litecoin or Bitcoin from Coinbase or whatever wallet you have to Binance. So how do you do that? We go on Binance, we click on wallet overview over here, then you go on fiat and spot. You are going to choose your coin that you're going to transfer. So my coin is Litecoin. I'm going to click on Litecoin. I'm going to click on deposit Litecoin over here. It says that the minimum deposit amount is any deposits. Yeah, doesn't really matter. So just click OK. Now here you can just choose whatever you want. I'm going with Litecoin, as I said. Now you have to copy this address over here. Just copy it. Make sure it's the right address. Copy it and then go back to your portfolio and then send all to. You're going to paste that address over here. You're going to pay with Litecoin. Click continue. It's going to load up. It's going to show you the network fee. I'm using Litecoin because it has a very small amount of fees. Just click send now. You have to put your two-step verification code. I'm going to put mine now. Just click on confirm. Just done. We will wait. We're going to refresh this and we'll wait about 20 minutes for it to get transferred on our Binance account. It's pending. Since we're waiting for the Litecoin to arrive on our Binance account, we have to do the third step, downloading Metamask or Trust Wallet to your browser. So how I do that, just go to metamask.io, click download, install Metamask. It's going to pull up on Chrome Web Store. Just click on install or add on Chrome. I already have it, so yeah, here it is. Now I'm going to show you guys how to set the Binance Smart Chain mainnet. Click on it, click on expand view. It's going to expand. Now all you guys have to do is click on Binance Smart Chain and now click on custom RPC. Now that you have clicked that, I'm going to show you how to put everything into place. So as the network name, you have to put Binance Smart Chain mainnet, new RPC URL. I'm going to leave this all in the description below, so just copy and put it here. So chain link 656, current symbol BNB and block explorer URL, this. And then after you have done that, just click on save. After you've saved that, it will appear after you click on here on networks, it will appear Binance Smart Chain. Click on that and here should be updated with BNB. You should have 0 amount of BNB.
5 minutes later.
Okay guys, so we have successfully received the Litecoin. We have transferred from our Coinbase account. We can close that for now. Now the Litecoin has arrived on our Binance account. We can see here total balance, it's here. So what we're going to do now, just click on overview, click on fiat and spot. Now here's going to be your coin. You want to convert it, just click on convert. You're going to put in here Litecoin and convert it from Litecoin or whatever coin you have to BNB. Yeah, so there was an error not letting me convert from Litecoin to BNB, but I have converted Litecoin to BUSD, and then you just have to convert BUSD to BNB. So we have 32 USD. Going to refresh this. It's going to give us the amount we're going to convert. And yes, there we go, we got it. Now we have to go back to wallet overview. Okay, so now we got here BNB, we got 32 USD. We're going to click on withdraw. Now we're going to withdraw this BNB to our Metamask account. So make sure you're on Binance Smart Chain mainnet. Just click, copy this and put it on recipient's BNB address. Now I have already mine, it's called Metamask. Click. Make sure the transfer network is on BAP20 or BSC. Make sure, because if you put this, it's not going to work. So yeah, I'm going to put max. The transaction fee is low, so don't worry about it. Just click submit. There you go. Here it is. We're going to copy this, put it in email verification code, and then just go to Google verification and get the code. And it will pop a new window, withdrawal request submitted. Now we just have to wait a couple of minutes for it to transfer from Binance account to our Metamask wallet.
5 minutes later.
Okay guys, we have received our BNB. So now what we'll have to do is go on elongate.cc on the website, click on buy on Pancake swap. Wait, it's going to say token imported. Just click I understand. Okay, if you want you can read that. Now just exchange BNB to elongate. Click on max, and you have to set your slippage to 11% or 12%. I'm going to put mine at 11. Confirm swap. It doesn't work. Try it again. No, it doesn't work. We have to put it at 12%. Confirm swap. It works. It's going to pop up a Metamask notification. Just click on confirm. Close. Wait 2 seconds. It should pop up that everything was successful. So it works. Here's the swap. Let's go. We're going to refresh the page, giving us the token imported. I understand. So we just got elongate. That's it. So yeah guys, that's how easy it is to buy elongate. Buy in right now till you can, because elongate is going to the freaking moon, boys. So to top off the video guys, please leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications, because notifications mean so much to me, seeing you guys are active. And yeah, don't forget to join the Tesla giveaway that Elongate is doing. Yeah, link in the description. Bye.